Hey learners, Pranshi Verma this side. Welcome to my channel guys. In today's YouTube session, we are going to learn machine design, sample multiple choice question and answer guys. And machine design is your mechanical branch subject. Let's begin. In this, your first question is the property of a material which enables it to resist fracture due to high impact loads is known as toughness. Okay, so this type of property in a materials is known as toughness. Right answer is option D. Next question. Guessed theory of failure is applicable for following type of materials. Okay, so guessed theory of failure is applicable for ductile type of materials. Right option is option B. Next question. If an unsupported uniform cross-sectional elastic bar is subjected to a longitudinal impact from a rigid bob moving with velocity b, then a compressive wave of intensity SC is propagated through the bar as follows: BPE. Okay, so the SC is propagated through the bar as follows: BPE. Next question. Resilience of a material is important when it's subjected to shock loading. Right option is option E, shock loading. Next question. Other method of reducing shock load in the above case can be to increase length. Next question. Brittle coating techniques is used for experimental stress analysis. Option D. Okay. Next question. The endurance limit of a material with finished surface in comparison to rough surface is more. Option A is right one. Next question. The maximum stress due to stress concentration is a bar having circular transverse hole as compared to its static stress without hole will be 3 times more. Okay, option C. Next. Stress concentration in static loading is more serious in brittle materials. Option B is right one. Next question. Endurance limit or fatigue limits is the maximum stress that a member can withstand for an infinite number of load applications without failure when subjected to completely reversed loading. Option D is right one. Completely reversed loading. Next one. Which of the following is not correct procedure to increase the fatigue limit? Option C is right one. Surface decarburization. Okay, surface decarburization. Next question. Stress concentration in static loading is very serious in brittle materials and less serious in ductile materials. Option A is right one. Next question. Stress concentration in cycle loading in equally serious in both type of materials, and both type for are ductile and brittle materials respectively. Next question. If a material fails below its yield point, failure would be due to fatigue. Okay. Next question. In Vickers hardness testing, the pyramid indenter apex is 136 degree. Next question. In testing a material for endurance strength, it is subjected to completely reversed load. Next question. The notch angle of the ISO impact test specimen is 45 degree angle. Okay. Next question. Coaxing is the procedure of increasing fatigue limit by overstressing the metal by successfully increasing loadings. Next question. Fatigue strength can be increased by hot working. Option D is right one. Next question. Stress concentration in cycle loading is more serious in ductile materials. Next question. The fatigue life of a part can be improved by short peening. Next question. Plastic flow in ductile materials lessens the seriousness of static loading stress concentration. Option B is right one. Next question. Stress concentration is caused due to all of the above. Answer is right one. Option D is all of the above. It's included variation in properties of material from point to point in a member. Next one, bidding at points or areas at which loads on a member are applied. Next one, abrupt change of section. Okay, so they all are right one here. Stress concentration is caused due to A, B and C, जो कि मैंने अभी आपको बताया है. If a load W is applied instantaneously on a bar, then the stress induced in bar will be independent of ratio of mass of load W to mass of bar by. Okay, option A is right one. Next question. In the case of an elastic bar fixed at upper end and loaded by a falling weight at lower end, the shock load produced can be decreased by decreasing the cross-section area of bar. Option A is right one. Next question. Tensile strength of a mild steel specimen can be roughly predicted from following hardness test. Brinell. Okay, option A is right one. Hardness test, Brinell. Next question. Rankine's theory of failure is applicable for following type of materials is brittle types of materials. Next question. A hot short metal is brittle when hot. Brittle when hot. Option B is right one. Next question. The permissible stress of carbon steel under static loading is generally taken as 4000 to 4500 kg per semi square. Okay. Next, the ultimate strength of steel in tension in compression to shear is in the ratio of 3:2. Okay, next question. The fatigue limit of a material is greatly decreased by poor surface conditions. Option A is right one. Next question. Yield point in fatigue loading as compared to static loading is lower. Option C is right one. Next question. The building up of warm and underized parts subjected to repeated loads by electroplating is best method. Okay. Next question. Which process will increase the fatigue duration of parts? Short pinning is the process will increase the fatigue duration of parts. Option B is right one. Next question. In nitrated parts, the origins of the fatigue cracks will occur at none of the above means they all are wrong answer. Not to be surface, not to be just below the surface, and not to be within the core, and not to be could occur anywhere. Okay, right answer is option E. Next question. Cold working. Option A. Increase the fatigue strength. Okay. Next question. Residual stress in material is independent of external loads. Option C is right one. Next question. The ratio of endurance limit in shear to the endurance limit in flexure is 0.55. Option D. Next question. Resistance to fatigue of a material is measured by endurance limit. Option E is right one. Next one. Next question. For steel, the ultimate strength is shear as compared to ultimate strength in tension is 2/3. Okay. Next question. At low temperature, say 75 degrees Celsius, the notched bar impact value of a steel decrease markedly. Okay. Option B is right one. Next question. The crest diameter of a screw thread is same as major diameter. Next question. Maximum principal stress theory is applicable for brittle materials. Option B is right one. Next question. A stud has both the ends threaded. Okay. Right option is option C. Next question. A tap bolt. Option B. Has head at one end and other end fits into a tapped hole in the other part OB joint. Okay. Next question. The included angle in unified of American national threads is 60 degree. Next question. Cap screws are similar to small size tap bolts except that a greater variety of shapes of heads are available. Option A is right one. Next question. The definition of a cantilever beam under load W is 8 if its width is halved then the deflection under load W will be 48. Okay. Right answer is option C, 48. Next question. Set screws are used to prevent relative motion between parts. Okay. Right answer is option C. Next question. An aligned bolt is provided with hexagonal depression in head. Okay guys. Right option is option C here. नाउ लेट्स वाइंड अप दिस लेक्चर. सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. आज का वीडियो आपको समझ आया है, कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो प्लीज़ मुझे कमेंट करके बता दीजिएगा. एंड आपके सिलेबस से है, आपका सिलेबस मैच कर रहा है या नहीं कर रहा है वो भी प्लीज़ कमेंट करके बता दीजिएगा. जो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में अगर कोई इसमें यहाँ पे इंप्रूवमेंट होगा तो मैं वो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में जरूर आपके लिए कर दूंगी गाइज. एंड विश यू वेरी वेरी ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर एग्जामिनेशन. प्लीज़ फोकस ऑन योर थ्योरी एज वेल एज मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर. बाय बाय.